Kimi, guys. He made all the design that I just showed you, and everything was delicious. And not only did he make them, he also gifted me with some bananas.
Local isang perangan for
Yes.
Mac, especially for Mac.
Oh, terima kasih. I don't know how I can thank him, guys. Everything is
No,
delicious.
It's a pleasure to meet you. And thank you for coming. And don't forget to come again.
I will definitely
In
come
Kuantan.
back. I will come back again.
Yeah.
You hear that, Kuantan? We are coming back.
Must come, wajib.
Must come.
Wajib.
Eh.
Wajib datang. Wajib compulsory.
What do you-
It's a must.
Oh, it's a mess. It's a mess. I'm coming back. There's no guessing.
Yeah.
After going to Sarawak and Sabah, we are
Yeah.
coming back to Kuantan.
You have to explore more in Kuantan. The
Okay.
food,
The
the food,
food.
the places.
Yes.
Even in Pahang, there are many places to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where else? What would you recommend when you come? We do next time. What should
Next
we do?
time, you have to explore the beach in Kuantan,
Yeah.
Melindong,
Yeah.
Sepat, Pantai Sepat. There are many places like even in Pahang. Even you have to go to Cameron Highlands.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Genting Highlands.
We have been to Genting.
Genting, yeah.
But we didn't do a lot of activities because it was super cold.
Okay.
And I was like kind of sick. I was freezing. But maybe when the weather get better,
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
go and
Because of
do
the
a lot
monsoon
of
season right now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's coming.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
why even if I want to swim, I can't do too much. Kuantan is beautiful, especially the beach. I was at the beach and it was very clean,
Yes.
very beautiful. But it was not sunny. Now imagine on a sunny day, because sometimes the sun, when it's sunny, the sun
Yes.
becomes white.
Yes.
The water is blue because
Yeah,
the
exactly.
sky is clear.
Exactly, yeah.
So I can imagine.
Agree with you.
Yeah. So I'm definitely coming back.
Wajib datang.
Yeah.
Wajib datang Kuantan. She becomes my best friend right now.
Yes, and I'm coming back to Kuantan
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Terima kasih. Bye.
Bye.